This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Siri.khalsa. Investors. Charming one-story brick front rancher with good bones ready to be given some TLC. Original hardwood floors throughout, and a spacious backyard. Sold as is, no repair requests will be considered. Half-acre lot behind property is also conveyed with sale. 022L001.01 documents for CRS property report for adjacent lot. For more information, review the details below or contact Siri.khalsa at 865-584-4000.